Hello, Assalamualaikum everybody, and welcome back to MarketWays, guys. And today we are up like $1,500 on a day, and just to make sure, this trade is also executed live on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can trade live with me as well. So why we took these trades and what are the confluences? That's quite simple. We're gonna move towards some high time frame first of all. So on the day opening, we got this huge buy sell liquidity which is swept by the market, and then we got this indecisive candle, and we got this 1 hour FVG which is tapped by the market 1, 2, 3, and 4 times in a row. The reason was quite simple. We moved toward the 15 minutes, and what I saw on 15 minutes, that we got this sell side liquidity which is pending. We just tap this sell side liquidity, alright, and we also tap this fair value gap, and here we got the breaker block over here which is tapped perfectly over here. Then I moved toward the 1 minute, and first I took sells over here. As you guys can see, we took the sells. This is my star with 15 pips, and I was not sure, and that's the main thing, I was not sure over here that we're gonna continue moving down. So what I did, I took my partials on 1 hour over here, and just as soon as we hit this trade, this area, I took my partials and let my other trade break even, and we just got the break even here. But now here's the interesting thing. As soon as we inversed this IFVG, very small IFVG, as you guys can see, I entered in the trade. We came all the way down, tapped into this IFVG, and here we took 15 contracts over here. We took out our 3 contracts over here, and I took my 3 over here, and then I took my 6 over here, and then I took my last 3 over here. So the trade was quite simple. We got the buy side pending over here, and that is the main thing that I teach you guys yesterday. Now this is the area, all right. If you guys see, this is the 2.618 area where I took my more than 90% of my take profit of trade, all right. And then we just let the other trade run. So we booked total $1,500 on this trade on the day, which is 121 pips, which is a lot of pips, and it's 6 hour trade. I got the quite good risk reward and good RR over here in the day. And that's it, guys. I think that is the simplest and the most efficient way to trade the New York session open. We took the trade on 10 a.m. open. If you guys see, I marked the 10 a.m. open, and after that we took the trade. And yeah, that is my simple trading strategy. All you have to wait is for 10 a.m. open, and then you can enter in the market with high volume. And you guys can see we built a lot of liquidity over here. As soon as I took my 3 contracts over here, the market started consolidating, and I was little bit foamic over here that we're gonna hit this stop loss or break even. But what was the main reason I did break even my trade over here was this order block. I was waiting for this order block to get tapped and then see some sort of reaction, and that's the same thing happened over here. We tapped this order block, we simply went to the buy side and took the buy side liquidity, and that was it for the day. I hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna meet you in the next one. Feel free to write your opinion on this trade in the comment section. I will be reading that, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a good day.